it's Morgan with WTI.
I love this blanket from Woolly Mammoth so much. It is so cozy. I love using it inside my house. It's such a pretty color. I love this tan brown color. It's gorgeous. I love using it outside. It just feels so incredibly cozy. I did not realize how much I needed a wool blanket until I got this one. It is just so comfortable. And the stitching is really amazing. You can tell this is a really high quality blanket. It is so easy to move around and get comfortable. And the size is awesome. It is so huge. It fits almost this entire couch under it. And that adds maximum comfiness to it. I absolutely love it. It's gorgeous. You can just tell the quality is great. I love that you can use it inside and outside, and it is just going to keep that amazing quality to it. It's fun for cozying up with friends around a fire. It is just great for so many different things, and I absolutely have been loving having this wool blanket around, and I cannot wait to use this for years and years to come. It's great.
I love this blanket, and that's my point of view.